Welcome to 5 days of healthy Valentine's Day recipes. Today, we're making the Creamiest Vegan Strawberry Cheesecake. It's also no-bake, so it's super easy to make. Just mix almond flour with maple syrup and oil to form a crust, and then blend some soaked cashews with strawberries, maple syrup, and almond milk. The cashews add a super creamy texture while keeping it vegan. Freeze everything for around 2 hours, and then you have a delicious strawberry cheesecake. Stay tuned for the other recipes because I'll be posting one every single day.
Don't show up, don't come out, don't start caring about me now. Walk away, you know how. Don't start caring about me now.
Ich zeige euch, wie ich meinen Raw Raspberry Cheesecake zubereite. Der schmeckt unglaublich gut. Für den Boden benötigt ihr Mandeln, Aprikosen, Kokosraspeln, alles zerkleinern und auf dem Boden der Form verteilen. Für die Füllung habe ich Cashews eingeweicht, dazu kommt Kokoscreme, Ahornsirup, Vanille, Salz. Alles gut zerkleinern, die Hälfte auf den Boden gießen und ins Gefrierfach stellen. Zur anderen Hälfte gebe ich noch Himbeeren, ebenfalls gut zerkleinern und auf dem gefrorenen Boden verteilen. So kommt der Cheesecake nochmal ins Gefrierfach und fertig.
I just wanted you to watch me dissolve slowly in a pool full of your love. I don't even know how the chemistry works when your pool's like kicking in the dirt, kicking in the sand and stirring up trouble.
No-bake cheesecake bites. Who wants some?
I just wanted you to watch me dissolve slowly in a pool full of your love. I don't even know how the chemistry works when your pool's like kicking in the dirt, kicking in the sand and stirring up trouble.
Controversial opinion. Cheesecake is the ultimate holiday dessert. This gingerbread cheesecake is actually raw and vegan and will make you feel amazing. Our base is cashew soaked in water for a few hours, which creates a super creamy dairy-free texture. Blend and set that aside, then make a gingerbread cookie dough base with almond flour, coconut oil, maple syrup, and optional molasses to add that classic holiday flavor. Press the crust into a muffin tin, top with the cashew cream, and freeze for 30 minutes. That's it, and you're left with a delicious and healthy treat. Enjoy, guys!
And nothing hurts anymore, I feel kinda free. We're still the kids we used to be. I put my hand on the stove. I still bleed. And
so today I made this amazing vegan Snickers cheesecake, and it was super simple and really easy to do. I just took 200 grams of vegan biscuits and processed them into breadcrumbs, and added 80 grams of melted vegan butter, press it into a tin and chill in the fridge. Then I took 500 grams of nut vegan cream cheese, which is the best cream cheese in the world, and added 5 drops of peanut butter flavoured drops with sweetness, 4 tablespoons of natural nut yogurt and 4 tablespoons of peanut butter. Mix it all together and let it set in the fridge. Before adding your vegan caramel, I used Nature's Charm one and put it back in the fridge to set for a couple of hours. And then you want to add your chocolate layer before leaving to set overnight, before slicing it open and enjoying this beauty. So tasty, so good. Let me know if you try it.
This berry cheesecake recipe is my entry for the best ever vegan dessert. Start out by crushing up some digestives, which are one of those amazing accidentally vegan ingredients, and mix in some melted vegan butter. Press down into the base of a springform cake tin and leave to set. Make your berry sauce using the ingredients listed in the video. Then whisk together some vegan cream cheese and vanilla, add in your soy cream and icing sugar, whisk again, and then add in your cornstarch to help thicken, and whisk yet again. Next up, separate your cheesecake mix into 2. Blend your sauce to remove any lumps, and then add in some berry sauce to half of the cheesecake mixture, and add a little more cornstarch to thicken it back up. Then, once you've done that, add your cheesecake mixture to the biscuit base. I went for the berry layer first and then the vanilla. Refrigerate your cheesecake for a minimum of 6 hours. I left mine in overnight. Then serve your cheesecake with more berry sauce on top, some fresh or frozen berries, I did blueberries and blackberries, some fresh mint, and a dusting of icing sugar. What other vegan desserts would you guys like to see?
Once you see how easy it is to make healthy vegan cheesecake at home, you'll never buy the store-bought stuff again. The good thing about this cheesecake is it's made with mostly whole foods and is refined sugar-free. I promise you'll feel a huge difference eating desserts like this compared to the ones packed with a ton of refined sugars and carbs. These will keep you fuller for longer and so satisfied. And the best thing about them is that they're so easy to make and absolutely delicious. For the full written recipe, head over to my website and Instagram.